Now to do this magic, all you need is a deck of cards. You can show the spectators that all the cards in this deck are different and a joker. Okay. For the time being, I'm just putting the joker away. Now all the cards in this deck are different, right? This is a normal deck of cards, and before starting the magic, let me just shuffle the cards into a pharaoh. Okay. Now, as I riffle through the deck, I want you to tell the word stop.
Stop.
Okay, see the card?
Okay.
Remember the card? Okay. Now I'm going to make a gun with these cards, okay? Like over here. And inside my pocket, I have this joker, which is going to act like a magazine inside this gun. And I have the magazine loaded. For the first time, I want you to tell the card that you are thinking of.
9 of hearts.
9 of hearts. Watch. If I do like this, you see one card jumps out of the deck.
Yeah.
It's nothing but the 9 of hearts. Let's learn how you can do the trick. Well, you know, sometimes I talk to myself for no reason. Me too. So, you have seen how the performance of the gunshot looks like, and today I'm back to this channel. My name is Aviroop. You can see me in the previous videos of this channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the gunshot magic. So without any further ado, let's get ready for today's video. So for this magic, you are going to need a deck of cards and a joker. Okay. Now for the time being, you just ask the spectator to hold the joker, or you can put it away. You have a normal deck of cards, but to start this magic, you need to know how to do the pharaoh shuffle. So you are going to do the pharaoh only for this trick. So if you don't know how to do the pharaoh, then go to the first link in the description and you can know how to learn. You can learn how to do the pharaoh shuffle. So this is how you're going to do a pharaoh shuffle, like this. So you see I have 2 cards on the top and on the bottom over here. So I'm going to hold this pack as the bottom one. Okay. So that I can hold the top part using these 2 cards. Okay. Now the pharaoh should be a perfect one card interlocked with the other. Okay. And this is how you're going to start the magic. Okay. Hold the cards like this, the bottom packet only, and with the bottom packet you are holding the top packet. So you ask the spectator to say the word out loud, stop. Okay. Over here maybe. Now when the spectator sees this card, all you are going to do is pull these cards back along with the bottom packet so that you can take a break over here. Let me show you one more time. You're going to say the word stop, maybe over here. You're going to pull the cards like this along with the bottom part and take the break over here. Take a break, okay? See this card and let go of the top packet like this. Now,
so the spectator sees the card, right?
Yes.
Not you.
No, the spectator sees the card, okay?
And you take the break and you let go of the top packet.
Absolutely. Now, at this position, the top packet looks absolutely normal, but the bottom packet, you already have a break. Can you see it? Okay. Now, you're going to tilt the top packet like this, which looks like a gun. Okay? Like this. You still have the pinky break over here. Now, you're going to take out the joker. And the magazine or the joker is going to go the same place where you had the pinky break, like this, and then let go of the pinky. Now if I hold the bottom packet like this, you're going to push it so that it looks absolutely normal. You have nothing. It's absolutely clean. So now this card is at the same place where the spectator saw the card. You just push it to the point where it actually hits the card, and see it just from over here. If I push the joker, you're going to see that this card is the only card that is coming out. Okay, let me just show you in full motion how it looks like. The card is over here. You're just holding it like this, and you're going to push the card very hard so that it flies out of the gun, and it looks like it's a gunshot. That's how you're going to do the card trick.
দাঁড়া focus.
তুই খালি বল ওর রেডিটাও আসবে তোর এর মধ্যে।
Abey, focus. Ready.
How do I stop this? Okay. Never mind. My name is Avirup. Today I'm going to be doing the gun. Let's change it.